In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link anchors on your Wix website. This is a great way to allow users to navigate your site more easily by quickly jumping to specific sections on the page. It's an especially useful tool if you have a long page with multiple sections that users might want to access quickly. Let's dive into the process together and make your website even more user-friendly. To begin, open your Wix site editor. Once you're in, we're going to locate the Add feature. You'll typically find this as a plus icon or an add icon on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on it will open up a plethora of options for elements you can add to your site. So we'll scroll down through these options. What we are specifically looking for is menus and anchor. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the options where you can find the anchor element. Go ahead and add this anchor anywhere on your site where you'd like users to be directed. Now, having placed your anchor, the next step is to add a button that will link to this anchor. Head back to the Add section again and choose a button design that best fits the aesthetic of your site. Once the button is placed, it's time to link it to our anchor. Click on the button to open its settings. Here, you'll find an option marked Link. Selecting this option, you'll see a variety of linking choices. We want to choose Section and Anchor. Now, you'll need to select the anchor you added earlier. It will be listed among the available elements you can link to. Select your anchor, confirm your settings, and there you go. You've created a clickable button that will take your website visitors directly to the targeted section with a smooth auto-scroll effect. To ensure everything is working as expected, switch to preview mode on your Wix site. This mode allows you to experience your site just like a visitor would. Once in preview mode, find the button you just set up and give it a click. You should see the page fluidly scroll down or up to the exact location of your anchor. This seamless navigation enhances the usability of your site, making it much more intuitive for visitors to explore your content. To wrap up, be sure to save your changes. This ensures that all your hard work is not lost and that visitors can benefit from the improved navigation immediately. Anchors are a powerful tool in website design, especially on longer pages, providing quick access and improving user experience by reducing unnecessary scrolling. I hope this guide was helpful as you continue to enhance your Wix website. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks like this.